What's up, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. So, Bitcoin has been pretty choppy over the past 10 days. However, we were able to catch a very nice long position at the low of the week with an entry price at $57,000. So, what was the logic behind this trade and what can you expect next? Well, if you remember in the previous update, Bitcoin was in this range and I actually wanted to see higher prices. However, as mentioned inside of the Discord, I did want to wait for the weekly open before taking any decision. And what happened? We got a drop on Sunday night and a break below the lows of this range. So when we saw this move, I was leaning a bit more bearish, and when we got this very nice move up on Monday with a big imbalance at the highs, I decided to open a short position to see the recovery of this imbalance. So if you go back to the Discord and I try to find the trade, as you can see, it was this short, an entry price at $59,700 with a first take profit at $58,200. So if you go back to the charts, the entry price was pretty much on this candle. We got the drop and I implemented a take profit 1. However, my major target for this move was, as mentioned inside of the Discord, I wanted to see $55,000. And the reason for that is simply because I wanted to see price revisit this imbalance that we had left behind. But what happened? Bitcoin actually moved up very aggressively, stopped me out the rest of my short position, and then from there continued to be pretty choppy. We got this move up and we got this high which came in on the CPI news, which is why I didn't trade it. But still, the only area that I was focused on was this imbalance with the low again coming in at $55,200. In the end, we finally got this move, we got a drop, a very nice reaction, and that's when I updated the Discord. We also had one more confluence, which was if you take the volume profile of this range, you can see that the value area low came in as confluence with the imbalance. So if I just remove this, let's go back to the Discord. We got the move down. If I just find it quickly, it was right there. We got the move down. We got the reaction at the midpoint of the imbalance, which came in at $56,070. We also had the value area low, as I just showed you on the chart, and I updated the Discord that I had taken a long position here. So we got the move up. I implemented the take profit 1, just above $58,000. And today, as I showed you at the start of the video, I'm still holding on to that long position. So with all of that said, what can you expect next? Well, as usual, let's outline the levels that you have above us and the levels that you have below us. If we start with the levels below us, personally, honestly, I'm expecting higher prices. I wouldn't really like Bitcoin to break back below this low, but still, we do have to be aware of the support levels below us. The first one hasn't changed, and this would be the fill of this imbalance at $55,200. So if we break below this low, this support level could offer a nice reaction. However, as I said, a break below this low would be a bit of a sign of weakness, and that's why I wouldn't give this level too much importance. But still, if we do reach it and we get a reaction, I will be interested in a long position. But the bigger level that we have below us, at least in my view, would be this imbalance that we also left behind, so below this low at $52,500. With all of that said, if we do get the break back below this low, I would love to see $52,500 for a potential bigger reversal to the upside. And that's mainly what I'm looking for below us. So as I said, I'm expecting higher prices, but if we do break back below this low, we have $55,200, which is a bit less important in my view, but then the major level would be $52,500. So then above us, what resistance do we have? Honestly, in this range, I don't see any major resistance except this imbalance that goes all the way up to $61,100. So could you get a move up and then a bigger rejection? I do think that this is possible, but again, this wouldn't be my preferred scenario. I would like to see a break above the highs of this range, so above $62,800. But still, as you can see right now, this imbalance is offering a bit of resistance on Bitcoin. But then, the bigger level that we have above this range hasn't changed since the previous update, and this would be this area around $64,000. So if we get a move up and we see a reaction, this could offer a very nice short position. However, if we see a move up and we break above this area, I would like to see a move towards $69,000 again as mentioned in the previous update. So with that said, above us, not much has changed. We have this major area around $64,000. Locally, we have this imbalance, which is already offering resistance, and the high comes in at $61,100. But if Bitcoin does drop lower, I will be focused on two levels, $55,200, and then the bigger level, in my opinion, $52,500. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this update. As usual, if you have any question, I'm available inside the Discord. So see you soon everyone, and good luck.